Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can track order on Shop app. So once you placed an order on the Shop app, you can see the status of your order. Here you can see that you can view the status of your order that you want to see by clicking on the order tab of the Shop app. So once you are in the order tabs, here it is, and here you can see view order status updates, and this is the status of your order before ship, that is waiting for details, order placed, shipped, partially shipped, ready for pickup, picked up. And once your order is shipped, you can see in transit, delay, action required, delivered, partially delivered. So you can see easily see if your order is cancelled. Here is the status, that is cancelled, partially refund and refunded. So you simply need to go on to the order tabs of the Shop app, and you can see this all details where that is your order in before ship status, after your order ship status, or your order is cancelled. So this is the process how you can track order on Shop app. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.